I started electrical engineering, I had no idea about the computer branch of electrical engineering. I was surprised to see Python language being taught to the first semester students under the course title of Introduction to Computing. But this was the part of electrical engineering that made it interesting for me. People think of electrical engineer as an electrician with conventional knowledge of electricity, but that's not true. Electrical engineering is related to controlling electrical circuits and devices through programming. Even power has major portion of computing nowadays. Electronic devices are completely controlled using microcontrollers. Nowadays, a new term of destructive technologies or destructive inventions is introduced, which has become measure of testing how good an invention is. We can define it as an invention. The more people become jobless, the more good invention is. If an invention has left a lot of people jobless, then it is a destructive invention. For example, self-driving cars are being introduced, and this project is at top of the list in electrical engineering projects. These cars are being designed to reduce the number of deaths caused by traffic accidents. Millions of people die every year in road accidents, and most of the road accidents are due to the human error. 90% of the road accidents are caused because of the human errors. So the invention of self-driving cars will be destructive invention because it will make millions of drivers jobless. Similarly, drones are also an example of destructive invention. Drones has taken video filming to a next level of awesomeness. Such videos are being made with drones which could never be otherwise. Drones are used in many fields, including in agriculture. Drones are used for spraying. DJI drones has been invented that can be used to spray in the fields. In some countries, drones are also being used for courier services also. Robots are also being designed using artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts, and they are designed for specific tasks. Maybe a robot is designed just for doing some specific activities, like robots are used in factories for assembling, for packaging. They are also being used in restaurants as waiters. So they are taking the place of humans and making them jobless. Similarly, PLCs, programmable logic control units, that are controlling different machines in companies that were previously controlled by humans, have made humans jobless. What has changed in that machines that is replacing humans? The thing that is changed is programming. Now these machines have programming units in them that give commands to the machines to act accordingly. So in the coming years, if you want to get a job, you must know how to program. The programs in that machines act as spirit in that inventions. Without that microcontrollers, these machines can do nothing. So you must know how to program that machines, and then you will get a job. So the job nature is changed now. Make yourself capable of doing what is needed. I hope you will have desire of controlling things through programming.